Hello everyone, this is Bhagashree here, the founder and editor-in-chief of Youth Magazine, and it is my absolute pleasure to inform you all about a very recent collaboration with Writers of the Future. So we present you all with an amazing free writing workshop which will equip you with all the skills necessary to become a terrific writer. The workshop is absolutely free and it is pre-recorded so that it can fit you with the time frame, and you can avail all the skills at any moment of the time as well as get prizes for completion of the workshop. So I recommend you all to register for the workshop and actually practice all the skills and activities given in the workshop, and I'm sure that at the end of the completion of the workshop you would have gained all the skills necessary to become an award-winning writer, with all the amazing tips given from their judges like David Farland and Tim Powers. And this is why I recommend you all to go and participate and register for the free Writers of the Future workshop. Thank you so much.